Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about what is the length of wheel bolt for 50mm wheel spacers. Let's go. This is extending wheel bolt, and this is the stock bolt. The difference in length between them is the thickness of the spacer that we are going to install. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolts also has a BONOSS engraved. BONOSS owns factory. By engraving the word B or BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, it is brand the guarantee of quality and the protection of customers' interest. With the 12 petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by super forging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. The matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, low harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. For normal driving, they can easily withstand hundreds of strong shocks and are sufficient to cope with intense racing competitions. If you have any question about the wheel bolt or wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.